and welcome back to the Homebucks Frappe Café. I'm your barista, Hannah, and today we're going to be making the Dulce de Leche Cinnamon Frappuccino. The Dulce de Leche Starbucks Frappuccino actually isn't served in Starbucks right now, so this is kind of an exclusive recipe. I'm not sure the last time that they served this, so I thought I would give you guys the recipe so you can make it at home whenever you want. So, you're gonna need your Dulce de Leche sauce. I got this from Walmart. It is Great Value brand, so it was only like $3-4. You're also gonna want some cinnamon. So the cinnamon is just gonna go on top of the Frappuccino on the whipped cream. So if you don't care, then go ahead and you don't need it. But if you're going to the store, you should pick some up. You're gonna want your xanthan gum to keep it all together. Your whipped cream, your whole milk, and the past couple recipes I haven't used espresso, so I'm really happy to say you're going to need espresso for this one. And of course, if you don't have the espresso, you can use the instant coffee. Flip back to one of my last videos, I talk about what to do with that. The last thing you're gonna need is your cup full of ice. All right. Now that you have your ice, you're gonna want to pour your whole milk just above the ice. Now I'm gonna add my Dulce de Leche sauce. This is gonna amount to about 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna add my pinch of xanthan gum. Now let's brew our espresso. I really am excited about using espresso again, because making my lattes and my mochas and my caramel macchiatos at home just isn't the same as espresso in a frappuccino. After a minute of no espresso coming out and my machine making slightly loud hissing noises, I was kind of concerned about my lack of espresso. That, combined with the minuscule amount of espresso it brewed, I concluded I packed it too tight. Oops. Now that I have my espresso, I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my mixture. And you're ready to blend. We're going in with a spoon. See, like, it just needs guidance. It just needs guidance. It can do it. It just needed guidance. Cinnamon, of course. To be really delicate about this, because like one foul tap and the entire thing is coming out on this drink. And then what are you gonna do? Because it's there, it's already there. You just have to leave it, or you have to scoop it off and start over, and then you have other customers and they all want perfect amount, you know. Tap it lightly. I'm excited about this one. I don't drink a lot of cinnamon drinks because they just don't really have a lot of them. But I love the brown sugar, so I also don't have a lot of experience with Dulce de Leche, except for when I used to sell them as a Girl Scout. But other than that, Wow. It's really good. To be honest, I really did not expect to like it. I don't like super sweet things, but this is really smooth. It has a great consistency, and the flavor of the espresso, of the Dulce de Leche, of the cinnamon, none of it is overpowering, so I can taste each individual component, which I really like in a drink. I've been watching a lot of MasterChef, if you can't tell. Yeah, I really did not expect to like it as much as I do. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Like, well, actually, I changed it. I'm sorry, I'm changing that. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10, just because I think that the flavors could be a little more intense. And you know, that could just be me needing to put in more syrup, or more cinnamon, or less espresso, but this thing that I made is an 8 out of 10, so yeah. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram and Facebook at Homebucks Café. Join us next week when we conquer yet another Starbucks recipe and have a Dulce delicious Wednesday. So, have a good one.